Ready to enhance your team with fresh talent? Here's your detailed guide to hiring an apprentice. Begin your journey by creating an Apprenticeship Service Account. This essential tool lets you manage funding and recruitment effortlessly. Next, choose an Apprenticeship Standard that matches your business's specific needs. Aligning the standard ensures the training adds real value to your operations. And if you're not sure which standard is most suitable, your chosen training provider will guide you. Engage a registered training provider to deliver expert guidance and support throughout the apprentice's development. Advertise the apprenticeship either independently or with your provider's help. Reaching the right audience is key to finding a promising candidate, so this is a service we will provide free for you. Sign an apprenticeship agreement to formalise the training plan. You're free to hire as many apprentices as you can support. The hiring process typically takes 4 to 6 weeks, from posting to selection. Follow these steps to seamlessly integrate skilled apprentices into your workforce. Contact us today and find out how Apprenticeships Plus from Capital City College Group can help you shape the workforce of tomorrow.